Man, I can't believe that Lucas is hating on Contender Guy 2. He doesn't deserve this type of threatment. He is the best user who makes grounded vids out of Sonic. I should force him to stop hating on Contender Guy 2. I know. I'm going to force him to stop hating on Contender Guy 2. So he can stop hating and restore ties with him. Ha 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 ha.
So the relevant elephant. I'm making my Mario Madness quiz. So, what do you think?
Wow. That's amazing, Lucas. I can't wait until you release the full song.
Faith Daniel. What the fuck are you doing here?
Lucas. I heard that you hate Contender Guy 2. Is this true?
Well, Faith Daniel. Lucas had the right to hate Contender Guy 2. It's because he made a killing video out of Sonic. Wish the little instant an unhappy anniversary. And more stuff he did to 2024 or 2025.
For now on, I will force you to restore ties with Contender Guy 2 right now. Start restoring with Contender Guy 2. Start restoring with Contender Guy 2. Start restoring with Contender Guy 2 right now. Now.
You know what? I had enough of you. You just bashing my opinion on Shsjsjsi since he commented child abuse and abused me when I was 14 and he was 15. And I'm calling your parents.
Oh crap. I'm gonna be so dead.
Big Daniel. I can't believe you forced Lucas to restore ties with Shsjsjsi. You should know that's opinion bashing. That's it. You're grounded for 12 weeks. Go to your room right now.